Unit 10. How creatures move. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around. The monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. The ship of the desert. Lion, roaring. Who are you? Camel, looking down at the lion. I am the ship of the desert. Who are you? Lion, don't you know me? I'm the king of the forest. Camel, are you? Oh, I see. Lion, frowning. You call yourself the ship of the desert? How can you be a ship? You are an animal. Camel, smiling. So I am. But people call me the ship of the desert. I can walk across the desert, even on a hot afternoon. The sand burns, but it doesn't bother me. Lion, I can't believe it. Camel, can you walk across a desert? Lion, blinking. No, I can't, but I can run in the forest. With disdain. Every animal can do that. I alone can run on sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. Lion, wonderingly. How can you do that? Camel, look at my feet. They are thick and padded. The hot sun does not burn them. Lion, my feet are padded too. Thorns don't prick them, and I can run 80 kilometers an hour. Camel, that is true. You can run 80 kilometers an hour in the forest. But can you run even a mile on the hot sand? Lion, maybe not, but... Camel, interrupting. And you can't live without water for a week, can you? Lion, no, I can't. I need water every day. But don't tell me you can do without water. Camel, yes, I can. There are no rivers or lakes in a desert. But that does not bother me. I can drink 200 bottles of water at a time. Lion, really? You must have a big stomach. Camel, proudly, yes, I have a big stomach. I can store water for a week. I can store food for 2 weeks even. Lion, showing a lot of interest. Do you store food in your stomach? No, I don't. I store it in my hump. I eat a lot of food at one time. Then I don't need to eat for a fortnight. Lion, that's interesting. But what do you eat? Camel, I eat leaves, but there are no trees in a desert. Lion, what do you eat there? Camel, there are thorny bushes in the desert. I eat the thorns. The thorns don't prick my thick tongue. Lion, how funny. Camel, Mr. King of the Forest, please come with me to the desert. Lion, no, I'd better not. I can't walk on burning sand. I can't store food and water. And I can't eat thorns. Goodbye and good luck, Mr. Ship of the Desert. S.K. Ram. What do you do when you are bored? Lakshamma sings a song when she is bored. Ratnakar reads a book. Gopal talks to his friends. Anjaya writes a story. Leelamma goes for a walk. Prabhakar goes to sleep. What do you do when you are bored?